Right. Once again, I am telling skew lines mean, what is the skew lines? Is the non-parallel, non-intersecting, non-perpendicular lines are called skew lines. Okay, na? Figure it. See, these two lines are not intersecting. These two lines are not parallel. These two lines are not perpendicular. These two lines are not. So these two lines are called skew lines. Next point. Shortest distance between the skew lines. Everyone observe. Shortest distance. So first vector form of the equation. Vector form of the equation is R1 is equal to A1 plus lambda into B1. So R2 R bar is equal to one vector equation A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar. This is the vector equation. Another vector equation is R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda into B2 bar. This is the second vector form equation. So this is the one plane equation. This is the another plane equation. Cartesian form plane equation is x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Z minus z1 by c1. Okay, na? Next, second plane equation is x minus x2 by a2 and y minus y2 by b2 and z minus z2 by c2. Z minus z2 by c2. Is it clear? So for this equation, already here we directly we know that a1 b1. Here already we know that a1 b1 and a2 b2 clearly. Here is a bar is in this equation. A bar is equal, a1 bar is equal to x1i x1i plus y1j plus z1k. B1 bar is equal to a1i plus b1j plus b1j plus c1k. Here is a2 bar is equal to x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Here B2 bar is equal to A2I plus B2J plus C2K. Observe here, points is observed. A bar is the X1, Y1, Z1. B bar is the DRs, A1, B1, C1. Okay, na? A2 is equal to X2, Y2, Z2. B2 bar is A2, B2, C2. A2, B2, C2. Is it clear, everyone? So now what is the shortest distance? What is the shortest distance formula is B1 cross B2 modulus of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 bar a2 minus a1 bar by modulus of b1 bar cross b2 bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar. This is the formula for shortest distance. Okay, na? This is the formula for shortest distance. Okay, na? So this is the vector form equation. Directly we can write a1 and b1. This is the another plane equation A2 and B2 Cartesian equation. So this is the x minus of x. This is the A1, Y1 is the B1 and Z1. So this is the A1 vector. Denominator is the B1 vector. Here is the x2, y2, z2 is the A2 bar vector. Denominator is the B2 bar vector in Cartesian form. For both the shortest distance is the same. For both the shortest distance is the same. Is it clear, everyone? Right. I go through the one problem. We are going to the proof is not necessary because of P examination is there, not there, only for us. So formula is needed. We can use the formula immediately. We can do the problems. That's enough only. Okay. Right. So now everyone observe. Everyone write down the problem is find the shortest distance. Find the shortest distance. First problem. Find the shortest distance. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Between the lines, line equation in vector form is given. R bar is equal to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda into, so I minus 2j, I minus 2j plus 2k. Another line equation is R bar is equal to minus 4i minus k plus mu into 3i minus 2j minus 2k. This is the given. Vector line equations are given. So that's why I am going to take vector line equation. So first one, so first equation you can see, first equation. So compare the first equation. R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar. By the comparison of the first equation, write down A1 bar. Write down the A1 bar is equal to 6i plus 2j plus 2k. B1 bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 2k. Compare the second equation. So R bar is equal to A2 bar plus mu into B2 bar. Immediately write down A2 bar is equal to minus 4i minus k. B2 bar is equal to 3i minus 2j minus 2k. Okay, now first to find out A2 minus A1 bar, A2 minus A1 bar, minus 4 minus 10i minus 10i minus 2j minus 2j minus 3k. Is it correct? A2 minus 4i minus 6i, that is minus 10i minus 2j minus k minus, right. B1 bar cross B2 bar, B1 bar cross B2 bar, determinant of I, j, k. B1 components of I component is the 1, j component minus 2, k component 2, and 3 minus 2 minus 2. Right, now we can take B1 bar cross B2 bar, B1 bar cross B1, I into minus minus is the plus 4, minus minus is the plus 4, therefore 8I minus j into minus 2 minus 6 minus plus 8j k into minus 2 minus 6b plus 6 1 times c, j is minus 2 minus right plus, so k is minus 2 minus plus 6b plus 4k, right. So now shortest distance formula, write down one. Shortest distance formula is A2 minus A1 bar dot A2 minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar vector by its modulus vector. B1 bar cross B2 bar of modulus value. Its modulus, first one, dot product. So minus 10 into minus 80. Next, minus 16, minus 16, minus 12 by its modulus value is, write on the modulus value is the root over 8 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. Now we can write down 96, 96, 108. Okay, now 96, 108. We can see everyone. So 96, 108. We can see. So 96 plus 12 means 8 and 108. 108 is make the negative as a positive. Here 4 square is common, 4 outside, 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So 108 will be cancelled. So how many times is the 2 times is the 8, 7 times 27 by denominator is the 4 plus 4 is the 9. Root 9 is the root value is the 3. It is the 9 units is the answer. 9 units is the answer. Everyone see 108 by 108 by, so 12 is the value by the cancellation, 9 times is the cancellation, therefore 9 units is the answer. Is it clear? So this is the vector form of the line equation is given. If Cartesian form of the line, formula is the same, but separating the A1, B1 and the A2, B2 is the only difficulty. So Cartesian form, but here is the direct. But in the Cartesian form is the separating of A1, B1 and A2, B2. You can understand me. Problem is a very simple. Same formula, no difference of the formula. Okay, na? Right. Now write down second problem is find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines. What are the given lines? The equation is given by x plus 1 by 7, y plus 1 by minus 6, z plus 1 by 1. Another equation is x minus 3 by 1, y minus 5 by minus 2, z minus 7 by 1. Z minus 7 by 1. Okay, na? Right. Everyone observe. Today very less members is joined. What about first equation? We can be write down in the correct form. First equation write down in the correct form. X minus of minus 1 by 7, y minus of minus 1 by minus 6, z minus of minus 1 by 1. Immediately A1 write down number. A1 bar is equal to minus 1 into I minus 1 into j minus 1 into k. B1 bar is equal to 7i minus 6j plus 1 into k. That is the k, right? Second equation right down. So x already minus we have by 1, y minus 5 by minus 2, z minus 7 by 1. Immediately write down A2 bar is equal to 3i plus 5j plus 7k, and B2 bar is write down denominators 1 into I minus 2 into j plus 1 into k. Okay, now, now write down the equation. Write down the equation, everyone. Shortest distance find out. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 write down. A2 minus A1. A2 bar minus A1 bar. Direct write down. A2 bar 3I plus I4I. Next 5I 6j 7k plus k 8k. All right. Next one B1 bar cross B2 bar. B1 bar cross the determinant of ijk, determinant of ijk, 7 minus 6, 1 b1 bar components, b2 bar components, 1 minus 2, 1. Right. Now find out the debt value, everyone. Now find out the debt value. Find out the debt value, everyone. So this value is I into minus 6 minus 4i minus 4i minus j into 7 minus 1 6ij 6j k into minus 14 plus 6 means 8 k minus 14 minus 8k. Okay, minus 8k. One time check them, everyone. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4i, 7 minus 1 6, but minus j minus 6j, k is minus 14 plus 6 8 minus 8k. Yes, it's correct. So this is the b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now apply the formula. Shortest distance is equal to a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar by modulus of b1 bar cross b2 bar, modulus of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now write down, everyone, a2 bar minus a1 bar, a2 bar minus a1 bar. A2 bar minus A1 bar is A2 bar, that is the 4. I multiply these two, minus 60 minus 36 minus 64 by its modulus value is the root over minus 4 square minus 6 square plus minus 8 square. Right. So this value is what is the common in all the terms is C. So 4 is common. So I will take modulus is the 4 is common. Under modulus is the, here is the 4, here is the 9, here is the 16. Right, by denominator is the, so here is the 2 square is common, that is the 2 into square root of 2 square, 3 square plus 4 square. Right, here 2 times is cancel, 2 into 25 29 by denominator is 4 9 16 root 29. Root 29, answer is the 2 root 29 units is the answer. Okay, na? Is it clear? So by the vector form of the line equation, by the Cartesian form of the line equation, I will complete the two problems by finding the shortest distance. Okay, right. Next one, I'll go through the, if the two lines are become as a parallel, then what is that? So non-intersecting, non-parallel, non-perpendicular are these two lines. The shortest distance between these two lines is already completed. If so, two lines are parallel, then what is the shortest distance? In coordinate geometry, we have two lines are parallel. So two lines are parallel. First line equation is the ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Second equation is the ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. The two lines are parallel. Then the short distance between the two lines is c2 minus c1 by root over a square plus b square in 2D straight lines. But in 3D, all right, everyone see. In 3D, what is the what is the distance between the two parallel? That is the distance between the two parallel line is the shortest distance. So always distance between the two lines is the shortest distance. So now what we are going to apply is two lines are parallel means, now see, what is the shortest distance? What is the shortest distance? So two lines are parallel, their vector form is two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. Put it in, two lines are parallel. Then the vector form of the line equations are R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda into B bar. And R bar second line is equal to A2 bar plus mu into B bar. These two are constants are equal, then only parallel lines. So then the shortest distance here is the B bar dot B bar, A2 bar minus B bar. Denominator is the modulus of B bar. Modulus of B bar. This is the formula. Okay, na? So Cartesian equations are, yes, I will write Cartesian equations here. Everyone, Cartesian form of the line C. So x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. Okay, na? Point is the different, ds is the same. Second equation is x minus x2 by A, y minus y2 by B, z minus z2 by C. Z minus z2 by C. So this is the denominator of the B vectors. Both are same. Cartesian form of the line equation I will write, and vector form of the line equation also write. Then shortest distance, the distance between the parallel lines also I will write. Okay, now distance between the parallel line also I will write. So basing that one you can see. Okay, now? Right. One problem should be write down, everyone. The shortest distance, the shortest distance, the shortest distance, the shortest distance between the parallel lines, between the parallel lines, the shortest distance between the parallel lines. What are the lines? See, R bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Next, R bar is equal to 3I plus 3j minus 5k plus mu into 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Now find out the shortest distance between these two lines. Everyone find out the shortest distance between these two lines. So vectors is going to, that is the 3D, I am going to conclude. Okay, na? So you should be prepared for examination. Is the first piece is going on. So you should be prepared series and sequences and the limits. Okay, na? As per schedule, we can put the examination. Okay, na? Everyone. Right. Here is the A1 bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k. A2 bar is equal to 3I plus 3j minus 5k. B bar vector is the same. So this is the A1 vector and this is the B bar vector. This is the A2 vector. This is the B bar vector. 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Now shortest distance right out among A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is 2I plus j minus k dot B bar. So 2I plus 3j plus 6k by its modulus value root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Okay, now simplify 4 plus 3 minus 6 by root over 4, 9, 36. its value is the 1 by 7 is the answer. That's enough. Okay, now? Right. I go through the everyone see next plane. So different forms of the planes we can discuss mean these problems are going to complete it. Almost all it is going to complete it. Everyone see, right? Everyone. So plane equation. What is the equation of the plane in the vector form and Cartesian form? What is the equation of the plane in the vector form and a Cartesian form? Okay, na? Equation of the plane. Now put the thing is equation of a plane equation of the plane. Next, vector form is r bar dot n cap is equal to 0. Cartesian form is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is the Cartesian form. Cartesian form of the equation. Okay, na? So this is the vector form of the equation and the Cartesian form of the equation. Now we are going through the C equation. So equation of the plane. The plane is passing through the any point. The plane is passing through the any point. The plane is passing through the any point. So then, so this is the plane. In this plane, any point the point is passing this plane in. This is the point A x1 y1 z1. Then what is the equation of the plane passing through the point mean? So A into, now I will write the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane passes through the point x1 y1 z1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line passing through the point. Okay, na? So these are the, using this concept, we are going to work out the problems. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. Now write down the problem is find the equation of a plane passes through the 3 points. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of a plane passes through 3 points. Passes through 3 points. What are the 3 points here? 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5, 5, 3, minus 3, 5, 3, minus 3. Okay, na? 5, 3, minus 3. First, I will write the equation of the plane passing through the 1 point. Second point and third point, I will be find out the equation. So then I will simplify what we get the equation is observed. Okay, na? So equation of the plane passing through the 3 points equation is required. Okay, na? Passing through the 3 points equation is required. So for that one, first I will write equation of the plane Equation of the plane, simple method for CET model only. Equation of the plane passes through first point. What is the first point? Is the 2, 5 minus 3. Then equation is a into x minus x1 is the 2. B into y minus y1 is the 5. C into z minus z1 minus is the plus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Finish. The same plane is passing through the second point and third point also. The same plane is passing through the second point and third point also. Immediately substitute second point. It passes through. Second point is the minus 2, minus 3, 5. X plus substitute A into minus 2, minus 2 plus B into minus 3, minus 5 plus C into 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. Simplify. Minus 4A minus 8B plus 8C is equal to 0. By the cancellation with the minus 4, therefore A plus 2B minus 2C is equal to 0. Let it be second equation. Same equation again passing through the third point also. Equation number 1 is also passing through the third point also. Now substitute third point is it passes through third point is the 5 comma 3 comma minus 3, right? A into x, the x place is the 5 minus 2, B into y place is the 3 minus 5 plus C into z place is the minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. From this equation 3A minus 2B G is equal to 0. Let it be third equation. Solving of these three equations is determinant form we can apply. Solving of these three equations is, what is the first equation? Is A 2B plus 2C minus 2C is equal to 0. Third equation is 3A minus 2B. 0 into C is equal to 0. Solving method is first A. First take A by close A. So 2 into 0 minus is the plus 4. Now I will write 2 minus 2 minus 2 0. Okay, na? B opposite sign take. B should be take opposite sign. So B should be take opposite sign only. So B should be take opposite sign. So that opposite sign is, so minus B by close minus B. So 1 in 1 3 minus 2 0. C is the same. C by close C. 1 2 3 minus 2. Okay, now write down A by 0 minus 4. 0 minus of plus 4, right? Minus B by 0 minus of minus 6 plus C by minus 2 minus 6. So A by minus 4 minus B by 6 and C by